In this video, we'll walk you through how to cancel and recreate management statements in RentMan. We'll cover a few real-world examples to help you confidently handle the most common situations. Before we begin, there are a couple of important points to keep in mind. Do not delete transactions that reflect actual payments. For instance, if you've already paid the landlord, even if the amount was incorrect, you should not delete that transaction. Instead, make the necessary corrections while keeping the transaction intact. Invoices already transferred to the office account should not be deleted. To keep the records accurate, it's best to make any corrections by issuing a second invoice or a credit note. With those guidelines in mind, let's look at some examples. In our first example, a management statement was created for the wrong property, or perhaps all of the transactions within it are incorrect and need to be removed. Start by opening the relevant management window. Next, go to the History tab. Here, you'll see the transactions that were entered by mistake. Each one has a statement date, indicating it's part of a management statement. To cancel the statement, go to Reports, then click View Past Statements. Locate the most recent statement at the top and check the Cancelled checkbox next to it, then click Save. Now that the statement is cancelled, let's delete the incorrect transactions. Click Statement on the left. Double-click the Payment to Landlord transaction to open it, then click Delete. Do the same for the management commission and any other incorrect transactions. That's it. The statement is now cancelled and all incorrect transactions have been removed. You're ready to re-enter the correct transactions and recreate the statement. In the next scenario, a statement was sent out containing an incorrect bill transaction. The landlord has already been paid, and the rent and commission invoice are both correct, so we won't be deleting those. Instead, we'll just remove the incorrect bill. First, cancel the statement as shown in the previous example. Then go to the Statement tab on the left. Double-click the incorrect bill transaction to open it, then click Delete. You can now send a new updated statement. A couple of things to note. The commission amount on the new statement will show as 0. That's expected. The original commission invoice is still valid, so no additional commission is being charged. The Payment to Landlord field will show the remaining balance still owed. When the new statement is sent, a separate payment transaction will be created to pay out that balance. Finally, let's look at a case where an incorrect rent amount was received by mistake, and the landlord has already been paid. Start by cancelling the statement as usual, then delete the incorrect transactions. In the Statement tab, double-click the incorrect commission invoice, then click Delete. Follow the same steps to delete the rent transaction with the wrong amount. Next, re-enter the rent, ensuring the correct amount is used. When done, you can create a new management statement. If there's still money owed to the landlord, it will be included and paid out when the new statement is sent. If the landlord was overpaid, the statement will display a negative balance at the bottom. This amount can either be refunded by the landlord or offset against their next statement. And that's it. These examples should give you a solid foundation for cancelling and correcting management statements. Every situation is unique, but with this understanding, you'll be able to handle most scenarios with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further support, feel free to get in touch.